goes my heart beating, and you are the reason.
Are you surprised?
I'm losing sleep. Please come back now.
Yeah.
There goes my mind racing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now. I'd climb every mountain, swim every ocean, just to be with you. Fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason. There goes my hand shaking. You are the reason. My heart keeps bleeding, and I need you now. If I could back the clock, I'd make sure
Didn't really. I prepared a lot of what to say, but I think I'll just hack away the script. This has been 3 years. Okay? I think from the onset, I think fate brought us together because I don't know, I'm very shit. We have a lot of differences. First one, definitely religion. Okay, I always wanted my wife to do this, but who cares? Second one, you're someone that always believed in love, but as you can see, I wasn't the person that cared about the 儿女事情. I don't know, I'm crying, but whatever. Okay, and then the last one, it's more, initially we wouldn't like ideal type, right? I'm short, I can't date someone that's taller than me. And I remember you always told me that the time you saw me in the lecture hall walking down with red hair. And who the hell would date with that person, right? Yeah. So, but actually, all these things they don't matter. Okay. What's important that is we found ourselves balances. Alright. If my friends are gonna ask me, what do you like about a pilot? I think you'll know that my standard answer is genuine and kind. But actually, I've been telling my friends that you've been making a lot of sacrifices for me. First is of course religion. Just because doesn't mean that I'm staunch, means that you have to follow my religion. Alright? The fact, I always will remember this, the fact that you are Christian but you choose to be a Buddhist, I think that really shows how much you are giving into it. And second, it's more of, I think the song will loop again. Second, it's really, I may not be the most romantic guy or the most handsome guy, but I'll definitely be the one that is driven, responsible, confident but not too confident, and definitely be the most handsome guy in your eyes. And you are lovely the way you are, okay? Don't have to worry about me, I don't want. Yeah, lovely the way you are. And the last one is, I don't really have a last point, but I just want to say that I would want to give the relationship as much as we have given into it. I'll work 200% of your 1,000 to make this succeed, to work through all the ups and downs in life. And I'm really looking forward to the next phase of our life. I really think that if you're not the one, then I don't know who else is the one. Okay, so before we embark on the next stage of our life, I just have one question for you. Okay, how is this gonna work? But Violet Binjai Kai, will you marry me? Right?
Smile. Hey guys. Are you surprised?